Hey, this is Carl Milius, and today I'm going to teach you how to extend your screen. Now, what I mean by extending your screen is adding another monitor. Now, you might have a laptop or you might have just a monitor on a desktop. I will show you step by step how to extend or add another monitor so you have two or more monitors. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. This video is about extending the screens for your desktop or laptop. So this laptop has a screen right here, and this is the new monitor that I bought. It's not connected. So we want this screen to be part of this screen. It's called extending the screen. So what I'm going to do, the first thing you do is you want to make sure everything is connected. Okay, so all monitors are inputs. Okay, so a signal is outputting, meaning it's going from this laptop to this monitor. Okay, so we need a cable that does that. So I've just plugged in this cable right here. The reason why I'm not getting specific, excuse me, with this is because you're all going to have different types of cable. You might have a VGA cable, or you might have a DVI cable, or you might have a DisplayPort cable, or you might have a USB-C cable. So you just have to make sure this cable, which it's plugged in, this is outputting the video signal to this screen. So I take this cable and I already plugged it in. There's a plug here. There's a DisplayPort cable in the back here. So make sure the cable's plugged in here and the cable's plugged in here. That's the first thing. The second thing is power. Let's make sure we have power. So I got to go underneath. And here's the cable. Here's the power cable. I made sure it's plugged in here in the back. And then I go down here and I have to plug it in. That's plugged in. Okay, so our checklist is our cable is plugged in from our computer to the monitor, and our power is plugged in from the power connector to the monitor. Okay? So now I'm logged in, and I'm going to right click. I'm going to go down to display settings. Now, this one right here, number 2, is my laptop display because it's smaller. This is a bigger screen than this, okay? This is my new screen. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to see multiple display. I want to click the arrow down, click on the arrow. I want to go to extend these displays. And I want to keep the changes. And that's it. That is how you extend your display.